to discussing about how we can create folder and how we can create directory using Uipath. So step 1, how we can delete directory. 2, how we can create create a directory. Okay, let's go there. Okay, first I have created separate jammer for this delete folder. See, sequence name is delete folder. So what we are going to do it, add annotations, deleting the folders. Okay, so first what folder we want to delete, that you have to check. See, I have main folder. Okay, in that folder I am going to delete this file process. Okay, so this one. So what I'm copying this bar. Directly you can copy like this, or else if you want this whole path, shift right click, copy as path. You can copy. Okay, then go to Uipath Studio, get assign activity. Yeah, see. So what is, we are going to create variable as I mentioned in my previous video, control K. So this is file path. Okay. So if you are using shift right click copy as a path, that double quotation will come automatically. You don't want or that double quotation in here. So what is this? Assign activity, what is the purpose for we are using for file path. Okay. So now we have file path. After that, just we have to add delete activity. Okay. In this delete activity, you can pass the file path variable name. Okay. So now let's debug this one. Debugging is going on. See, our execution is success. So we have to check. See, before that we have file process folder. Now we don't have that file process folder, but is run successfully. So now after deleting the file in production environment, I have to create this file. Okay. So how you can do that? So before going this, so we are doing adding log message. See, log level we have different type of messages. It is faulted or error or warning or info or trash. So whatever we have to do, that we have to select. Just for information purpose, so I am selecting info. So file, sorry, folder deletion process is started. So give one space plus now dot to string. So now, sorry, copy this same activity, paste it after delete activity. Okay, so now deletion process is completed successfully. Okay, so I have deleted this process, right? So now we have to create the directory, right? So this you can move into one sequence. Okay, this is for delete folder. Okay, delete folder process. Okay, this is for delete folder and create directory process. Okay, so delete and creating folders. Okay, so now I have to create folder. Okay, so for creating folder I am dragging and drop another sequence. I am renaming creating a directory. So now what I am going to do it. So I am going to do it path exist. Okay. In this path exist, what we are going to checking file or folder. Now we are going to checking whether folder is exist or not. Okay. So inside power of RPA folder we have to check file process folder is exist or not. Okay, so you have to create the output. So file folder exist. Okay, so here we are doing folder exist, right? So we have to follow best practices as I said my earlier videos. Okay, so you can use assign activity or else you can get this file path from asset. That asset how we can get that asset from orchestrator, everything we will see in upcoming videos. Okay, now I'm creating another variable. Okay, for folder path. Okay, control C, paste it here. Just you can pass that assign activity variable. Okay, folder path. Okay, so you can see here assign activity purpose folder path. Okay, so now we have assigned one variable for folder path. Okay, so now how it will work, how we can check whether folder is exist or not. If exist, what we have to do. If does not exist, what we have to do. First, before going to that process, check what is the output variable type. Okay, see we have duplicate value or duplicate variables, so I am deleting one variables. Okay, folder exist, variable type is boolean. So if anyone will ask in anywhere what is the output of path exist, what is the output of path exist, or what is the output of path exist variable type. So you can mention boolean. Okay. See, we have folder path. Sorry, let me check. Sorry, string. Folder path is string. Sorry, folder path is string. Okay. So now we are going to if condition. If folder path is exist. Sorry, 1 minute. Let me change that variable. Okay. Folder exist. Yeah. Sorry. Folder exist. Boolean only. Folder exist. Path exist. Output variable type is boolean. Okay. So if condition folder exist. So in else condition also. Okay. If folder is already exist. Okay. Go for then condition. Log that message. Okay. Log that message. Oh, folder is already created. Okay. So if folder is not created, folder exists is not a true. That time go for else part. Okay. Add activity, create directory. Create directory means create folder activity. Okay. See here what folder path we have. F power of RPA. Inside we have to create file process, right? So file. So we have to pass that folder path. Okay. So now copy this and paste it here. Folder is not created. Else condition. So here you can paste it. Folder is now folder is created. Okay. So you have some doubt. See, already we don't have. If I will run this delete process, what it will happen? So time being, I am commenting out this. Okay. If we are doing commenting out means use shortcut key Control D. Okay. So now I am going to debugging it. So that time it will execute for only create the directory sequence. It will not execute that commented out sequence. Okay. So let's go for it. Debugging is started. You can see here what process is doing. See, now we can see. So we have deleted already this directory. Okay, now folder is not created. After that folder is created. So we will go for file process. See, here file process is there. Okay, now we can check it from scratch. Scratch means we will command in Control E for enabling this sequence. Control E. Okay, now we are going to check our overall this sequence, delete folder and create directory process. Okay, so let's see how it is doing. Okay, you can see we have file process folder. Okay, debug it. See, now our process is completed. Now you can see in output pan. So if you want your output pan like this side, you can drag and drop. Okay, so now it is coming bigger. So yeah, see, now folder deletion process is started. Folder deletion is process is completed. Folder is not created. Folder is created, right? So now I'm going to checking this only create directory because folder is already exist. So that if condition is working properly or not, we have to check that. Okay, that time I'm going to rerun it. Okay, for practicing purpose I am doing this many ways. Okay, what are all the ways we can do it? Okay, so if you are going to applying real time process, that time you don't want to test this time, one time you can test it, that is enough. Okay, so now let's start this process. See output, see our output folder is already created. Okay, so thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe our Power of RPA channel for making more videos and encouraging to us. If you have any doubt, if you need any clarification, feel free reach out to us. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in next video. Thanks for watching video once again.